this throttle tube is not necessarily made for this bike, but I looked it up on a forum, looked the part number up, and this was for a YZ250. It's a two-stroke dirt bike. Point to the handlebars. You notice my handlebars aren't Grom handlebars, but they're pro taper handlebars. But there's a certain amount of holes that the throttle grip has to have. Because I have two throttle cables. Some dirt bikes don't, but have but one. So I don't know if you caught that. If you need a replacement throttle, you can use a YZF250. Part number 0010094 with Motion Pro. But here's the thing, you see this extra space right here? You're gonna have to compensate for that by cutting this off. Not right here, but at the end right here, right? So I just put it on there just to see how it fit. So the fact that it doesn't fit all the way means I'm gonna have to cut some of it off. So I'm gonna have to cut probably right here, where this circle is right here. But I'm not too worried about it right now. I can actually do that later. I'm just gonna put this on. My tools, I didn't bring my tools with me, but it's all good. I got just what I need. Alright. Ooh. It's harder than it looks. Alright, so I'm gonna try this side first. And then on this side. Alright. That's an if you're looking for compatible parts for your bike, always you can go to a forum. Don't necessarily want to take all the information you get from there, but you can decipher which information is good for you. I want to put throttle top, the throttle tube, and the components that go with it back on. Put this throttle grip on, and I'll show you some pictures. All right? I got the bike loaded. New cameraman. All right, cool. Got my tools up. Gotta have some zip ties. Gotta have zip ties. Zip ties to save your life. I don't know. I just bought this in case I have to lock my bike up somewhere. And then this is for my steering column nut and my handlebars. And I got my drill, all my assorted screwdrivers and such. And right there, my ramp. Helmet. We're ready to go. Ready to go. So we meet a lot of good stunners out here today, and hopefully I can learn some good stuff, some new stuff, so I can take my riding skills to the next level.